So here is how to scan a document on iPhone. There are multiple ways you can scan a document, but for this one, we will be using the Notes application. So let's first open up Notes on our phone. After that, we will tap on the Compose option on the bottom right corner, which will open up a new blank note. And as you can see, we're now in a new note. Over here, you can select the attachment option from the bottom. After that, from the options, select Scan Documents right over here. You will then be redirected to your camera. You need to position the document in view just like this. After that, it will be scanned and saved as a document. You can open it from the bottom left, and this is what it will look like. It has now been saved as a scanned document on your notes. You can also select the retake option on the top right if you're not satisfied with the result. This way, you can easily scan any document or text. And that's it. That is how to scan a document on iPhone.